Kamusta guys? Ngayong araw, samahan niyo ako mag-react dito guys. Sa ginawa natin video 9 days ago. And gusto ko malaman yung mga reaction nyo about dito guys. Ito yung video ni Jerome Bardome at ni Elliot James Ray. Parehas silang Elvis clones guys. Parehas na napaka-talented. Pero tignan natin guys kung sino ba talaga yung mas malapit-lapit sa boses at galawan ni Elvis Presley. Panoorin natin to.
All I dream of is your eyes. All I long for is your touch. That's enough.
Si Elliot kamukha niya talaga si James Dean, no? Mas kamukha niya si James Dean kaysa kay Elvis. Yung buhok, pati yung hugis ng mukha. Malapit kay James Dean.
Love me tender, love me sweet,
Grabe yung boses din niya.
never let me go.
Para kang hinehele, no? Sa boses
Hello
ni Jerome
friends.
Bardome.
Today, we're going to talk about two Elvis clones who truly captivate women and devoted fans of the king of rock and roll, Elvis Presley. One of them comes from America. His name is Elliot James Ray. Let's find out more about who Elliot James Ray really is.
Pumunta na rin pala dito sa Pinas to, si Elliot. Kumanta na siya sa Wish tsaka sa ABS-CBN.
And why he has been gaining
Wish Bus.
attention among Elvis fans around the world. Elliot James Ray, born January 31st, 2002, is an English singer-songwriter. His music bridges the gap between 1950s rock and roll and modern audiences. Ray released his debut single, I Think They Call This Love, in July 2024.
Hindi lang Elvis Presley guys yung kinakanta ni Elliot. Marami siyang kinakanta, yung mga classic din, yung mga lumang kanta na sumikat din noon. Halos kasabay ni Elvis Presley.
And his debut EP, All This to Say I Love You, in June 2025. His covers of nostalgic songs, particularly those by Elvis Presley and Roy Orbison, have attracted millions of views on social media. Elliot James Ray was born and raised
Nag-viral pala rin siya, no?
in Bury, Greater Manchester. He attended Woodhay High School.
Manchester.
Ray's grandfather lived in the Philippines for a decade, and Ray spent time there as a child.
Shall I stay? Would it be a sin?
Para sa akin, hindi niya kaboses si Elvis kasi. Meron siya sariling boses, maganda naman. Pero hindi niya kaboses si Elvis. Para sa akin yun, opinion ko yun. Ayan, yung opinion nyo guys, i-comment nyo sa ating comment section. Hintayin ko.
Falling in love with
Ganda rin boses niya, malamig.
Many people say that Elliot James has a bright future in the music industry. Aside from having a great voice that is often compared to Elvis's, it cannot be denied that he possesses the qualities of a superstar: good looks, talent, charisma, and strong appeal. If you ask me, I believe Elliot is truly talented and has the potential to go far in his
Para sa akin, mas okay siguro yung gumawa siya ng sarili niyang pangalan, no? Kumbaga, meron naman siya sariling style eh. Kailangan niya lang talaga i-develop ng gusto.
music career. What do you think? Is Elliot really that good? And does he have a promising future in music? Comment your thoughts. Next, let's talk about one of the Philippines' pride and joys, the charismatic Elvis Presley clone, Jerome Everdome. Jerome is originally from Candelaria and is currently based in Sampaloc.
Yan ang kaboses ni Elvis Presley talaga, si Jerome Bardome. Maraming nagsasabi, pati si Sir RJ Jacinto guys. Pagka pumikit ka raw talaga maririnig mo yung boses ni Elvis Presley kay Jerome.
He has gained tremendous popularity on social media because of his remarkable voice, stage presence, and charisma, which closely resemble those of Elvis Presley. Jerome's talent and captivating performances have earned him a growing fan base, making him
Lalo yung unang salang niya no, sa Itbulaga. Kaboses niya talaga si Elvis dun.
one of the most talked about Elvis tribute performers in the Philippines.
Tell me that your sweet love hasn't died. Give me
Husay
one more
talaga.
chance just to keep you satisfied.
Ang ganda pa tinusot niya dito, no? Retro.
Wise men say
Ito yata yun eh, yung una niyang sabak sa The Clones sa Itbulaga.
only fools rush.
Yung makikita niyo yung reaction ni Sir Joey tsaka ni Bossing Vic. Talaga ng mga sa boses ni Jeremy Bardome.
It was not easy for Jerome to take the path that led to the fame he enjoys today. There were people who doubted him and did not believe in his abilities.
Sa mga hindi nakakalam guys, meron din YouTube channel si Jeremy Bardome. Pagkakaalam ko ito sa YouTube niya to eh. Itong parang nag-cover siya ng isang kanta.
However, instead of being discouraged, Jerome worked even harder to improve his singing skills. He used the doubts of others as fuel to become an even better singer. Unfortunately, he still did not win the segment on Itbulaga.
Yun na nakakatawa kay Jerome Bardome. Kahit hindi siya yung nag-champion, sa labas, nagkaroon pa rin siya ng karera, no? Tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung suporta, yung kasikatan niya. Suporta ng mga Jeromantic sa kanya. At marami siyang gigs, mga concerts, yung kabi-kabilaan guys, yung blessings na dumating sa kanya kahit wala na siya dun sa The Clones sa Itbulaga.
That experience became the reason new opportunities opened up for Jerome
Iba
Averdome.
talaga pagka-talented.
Since then, Jerome has had countless concerts and guest appearances. His fan base continued to grow, and eventually he named them the Jeromantics.
Dami niya rin mga interviews.
Jerome is an example of a Filipino who dared to dream and never gave up despite life's challenges. And you, my friend, what can you say about Jerome's talent and dedication to music? Share your thoughts in
Yung iba kasi pagkatapos sa matalo sa isang contest, parang nawawala na ng pag-asa, no? Hindi na nagpapatuloy yung mga ibang singers. Pero ito si Jerome talagang pinursu niya yung kanyang pangarap sa labas ng pagkatapos ng The Clones.
comments below.
Tinuloy niya pa rin, guys.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll be updated on our upcoming videos. Peace out.
O, diba guys? Pareha silang mahusay ni Elliot. Pero sa tingin nyo, ako sa tingin ko guys, mas malapit talaga yung boses ni Jeremy Bardome kaysa kay Elliot. Kung kayo naman tatanungin ko guys, sino yung mas malapit ang boses kay Elvis Presley? I-comment nyo lang sa ating comment section. Paano hanggang dito na muna, kita-kits ulit tayo sa mga susunod pang reaction video.